What if I told you one single store can sell thousands of pizzas every single day? Not a restaurant, not a chain, just one location. Now imagine the scale behind that. The dough, the cheese, the sauce, all moving like a perfectly timed machine. But here's the crazy part. The pizza you get for a few dollars, it goes through a process so precisely, so optimized. It feels more like a factory than a kitchen. And once you see how it's really made, you'll never look at it the same way again. How does Costco manage to produce such massive quantities of pizza so fast and still keep it consistent every single time? Because making one pizza is easy. Making thousands daily, without slowing down, without messing up, that's a completely different game. So what's happening behind the scenes? Where does it all begin? Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to Infusions and Elements for more mind-blowing factory secrets you won't see anywhere else. At the dough, where everything starts, it all begins with something simple: flour, water, yeast, salt, and oil. But in this system, simple doesn't mean small. Industrial mixers combine huge batches of dough at once. We're not talking about a bowl. We're talking about machines that can handle enough dough to feed hundreds of people in one go. The mixing is timed down to the second. Too long, and the dough becomes tough. Too short, and it won't rise properly. Once mixed, the dough doesn't go straight to the oven. It rests. This is where the magic begins. During this resting phase, yeast starts working. Tiny bubbles form inside the dough, giving it that soft, airy texture. Miss this step, and the pizza becomes dense and flat. After resting, the dough is divided into equal portions. Each piece is weighed precisely, because consistency is everything. Every pizza must look and feel exactly the same. Then comes shaping. Perfect circles every time. Instead of chefs tossing dough in the air, machines or trained staff stretch it quickly into perfect circles. But here's what's interesting. The dough isn't stretched randomly. There's a pattern, a rhythm, a technique designed to maintain the right thickness across the entire base. Too thin, and it burns. Too thick, and it won't cook evenly. So every movement is controlled. At this stage, the dough already starts looking like a pizza base, but it's still missing everything that makes it irresistible. That's where the next layer comes in. The sauce. Simple, but strategic. You might think pizza sauce is just crushed tomatoes, but in reality, it's carefully formulated. Large batches of sauce are prepared using tomatoes, spices, and seasonings. The flavor has to be bold, but not overpowering, because here's the trick. The sauce is designed to complement the cheese, not compete with it. Once ready, the sauce is spread onto the dough. And again, precision matters. Too much sauce, and the crust becomes soggy. Too little, and the pizza tastes dry. So instead of guessing, exact measurements are used. Each pizza gets just the right amount, spread evenly in a circular motion. Now it finally starts looking like a real pizza. But the real transformation hasn't happened yet. The cheese where scale gets crazy. Now comes the most satisfying part, cheese. And this is where things get insane. Costco pizzas are known for being loaded with cheese. Not sprinkled, not lightly covered, loaded. Massive quantities of shredded cheese are prepared in advance. We're talking about hundreds of pounds moving through the system daily. The cheese blend is also intentional. It's not just one type. Different cheeses are combined to create the perfect melt, stretch, and flavor. Then it's evenly distributed over the sauce. But here's the surprising part. The amount of cheese on a single Costco pizza is significantly higher than most standard pizzas. That's why it has that iconic, heavy, cheesy pull when you take a slice. And yet, despite the quantity, it melts evenly every single time. That's not luck, that's engineering. Toppings. Speed meets precision. Depending on the type of pizza, toppings are added next. Pepperoni slices, for example, are placed in a consistent pattern, not randomly thrown. Why? Because even distribution ensures every bite tastes the same. Imagine getting a slice with no toppings, while another slice is overloaded. That would break the experience. So everything is controlled. Some processes are manual, but incredibly fast. Others may involve simple tools that speed things up. Either way, the goal is the same: consistency at high speed. And now, the pizza is finally ready for the most intense stage: the oven, where everything changes. This is where raw ingredients turn into something irresistible. The pizzas are placed into large industrial ovens. These aren't your home ovens. They're designed for continuous cooking. Once inside, the pizza moves through the oven on a conveyor system. No stopping, no waiting, just a smooth, continuous flow. The temperature is extremely high, hot enough to cook the pizza quickly, but precisely. As it moves through, everything transforms. The dough rises, creating a soft, slightly crispy crust. The cheese melts into a golden layer. The toppings cook perfectly. And here's something fascinating. These ovens are calibrated so precisely that every pizza spends the exact same amount of time inside. Not 1 second more, not 1 second less. This level of control ensures that whether it's the first pizza of the day or the 1000th, they all come out identical. That's the power of a system built for scale. And honestly, once you start noticing these details, it completely changes how you see everyday food. If you're enjoying uncovering how these massive systems really work, then make sure you subscribe to Infusions and Elements, because what's coming next will blow your mind even more. Cutting and serving, speed without chaos. Once the pizza comes out of the oven, it doesn't sit around. It moves quickly to the next step: cutting. Special tools are used to slice the pizza evenly. Each cut is clean, precise, and fast. Because during peak hours, there's no time to slow down. Imagine a line of customers waiting, and pizzas coming out every few seconds. The system has to keep up, and it does. Each pizza is cut into large slices, ready to be served immediately. But here's what's impressive. Even at this speed, there's no chaos. Everything flows smoothly, from the oven to cutting to serving. It's like watching a well-rehearsed performance. The hidden system behind it all, what makes this process truly powerful, isn't just the machines. It's the system. Every step is designed to reduce delay. Every movement is optimized. Ingredients are prepped in advance. Stations are arranged logically. Staff are trained to move efficiently. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Think about it like this. A single mistake in timing can slow everything down. A delay in one step affects the entire chain. So everything is synchronized, almost like a production line in a factory, because in many ways, that's exactly what it is. Speed versus quality, the real balance. Here's the real challenge. How do you produce food this fast without compromising quality? Most systems fail here. They either become fast, but low quality, or high quality, but slow. But this process manages both, because every variable is controlled. Temperature, timing, measurements, workflow, nothing is left to chance. And that's why, even with massive demand, the final product stays consistent. A surprising comparison. To put this into perspective, some of these ovens can cook pizzas faster than a typical home oven preheats. Think about that. By the time your oven is ready, multiple pizzas have already been made, cooked, sliced, and served. That's the level of efficiency we're talking about. The final stage, ready in minutes. From raw dough to a fully cooked pizza, the entire process takes just minutes, not hours, not even close. Minutes. And yet, within those minutes, dozens of precise steps happen. Each one is critical, each one optimized. That's what makes the final product feel effortless. But behind that simplicity is a highly engineered system working at full speed. So the next time you see a Costco pizza, it's not just food. It's the result of a process designed for scale, speed, and precision. From massive dough batches, to carefully measure the sauce, to mountains of cheese, to high-speed ovens. Everything works together like a perfectly tuned machine. And that's the real secret. Not just the ingredients, but the system behind them. And this is just one example of what's happening behind the scenes in everyday places. There are thousands of processes like this, hidden in plain sight. So if you want to keep uncovering how things are really made and see the secrets most people never notice, make sure you subscribe.